जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. And I am going to make sure Chandra does not move. Lakshmana, Vipranashta, Anala, Marutu. I am going to destroy Agnideva, Vayudeva. Bhaskaradhyiti Samvrutam. I am going to destroy Surya's Kanti, the sunlight. Vinir Madhita Sailagram. I am going to make all the mountains and hills pieces and pieces and powder. O Lakshmana, Sushyamana Jalasayam. I am going to make sure that no ocean has even a drop of water. I am going to dry all the oceans. No trees, no bushes, nothing will be there. I am going to destroy all of them. Vipranasita Nagaram. I am going to destroy all the towns and cities. Lakshmana, Trailokyantu Karishyami, Sanyuktam Kala Karmana. I am going to destroy all these three worlds. Lakshmana, if now, right now, all the devatas does not bring my Sita safely, Asmin Muhurte Mama Drakshyanti Vikramam, I am going to show to all the devatas what I am. I am going to show entire of my power to all the devatas now. Like that, Sri Ramachandra Swami expressing all of his anger on all the entities. Sri Ramachandra Swami is filled up with so much of anger. With that extreme anger, Rama is saying to Lakshmana, Lakshmana, Samakulam Amaryadam Jagat Pasya Adya Lakshmana. Now you are going to witness, Lakshmana, with my arrows. I am going to make this entire universe upside down. Lakshmana, Ishubhihi Akarnapurnaihi Ishubhihi Jivalokam Duravaraihi. With my arrows, with accurately targeted with my arrows, I am going to make sure on this earth no pisachas, no rakshasas live on this earth anymore. Lakshmana, Mama Rosha Prayuktanam. With extreme amount of my anger, if I shoot my arrows, then devatas will know what is my strength. Now I am going to show all the devatas my strength. Lakshmana, if I get upset, if I get anger, no devata also will be able to live anymore. Lakshmana, with my arrows, Sekali Krutaha, I am going to make this entire universe into pieces and pieces. If anything happens to Sita, nobody will be able to live on this earth. Lakshmana, if Devatas does not bring my Sita safely back to me, Nasayami Jagat Sarvam Trailokyam Sacharacharam. I am going to destroy all these three worlds. Like that, Rama was extremely angry, and because of that anger, Rama's eyes gone so red. With that red eyes, Rama has taken his bow Dhanusu, and Rama has taken an arrow which is looking like a dreadful big serpent, and Rama is completely filled up with so much angry, and with that anger his effulgence is coming out so much. Then he is saying that, Lakshmana, यथा राजा यथा मृत्युः यथा कालो यथा विधिः. As and how nobody can go against king. As and how nobody can go against death. As and how nobody can go against kalam, the time. As and how nobody can go against fate. So also, if I get angry, nobody can go against my angry, and nobody can go against my decision. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman-Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana.